Hi foodies, today I'll be showing you guys how to make your creamy yogurt using powdered milk at home. So this recipe is so easy and simple and anybody can do it. If I can do it, then so can you. So I'll be using this milk. I'll be using powdered milk. I bought half mudu from the market. So in my bowl I went in with 4 cups of powdered milk. So for this measurement, I'll be using 4 cups of water. I'll be using 4 cups of boiling hot water and also 4 cups of room temperature water. I added my cold and hot water and I mixed it well. Ensure to mix well so that your milk won't have lumps. Mix it very well. When you're done with that step, you go ahead and sieve. This sieving is a crucial step, so ensure not to miss this step. It gives you more creamier and smoother yogurt. So when you're done sieving, you go in and mix your yogurt culture. If you have yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, you can mix it. It also works well. Go ahead and close your container and store for 8 to 12 hours in a warm place, and just like that your yogurt is done. Just see how smooth and silky it's looking. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Don't forget to share and yeah, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.